Hey, knowledge lovers. If you're thinking about stepping into the world of Agile development or leveling up your IT project management career, then stick around, because today we're reviewing the IBM IT Scrum Master Professional Certificate available on Coursera. This is a fully online program, accessible from any country, and yes, it includes a recognized certification upon completion. Whether you're aiming to become a certified Scrum Master or just want to lead Agile teams with confidence, this course promises to deliver. And guess what? The link to access the course is right in the video description. Now, let's get into what this course offers and whether it's worth your time. The IBM IT Scrum Master Professional Certificate is designed to make you job ready in just 3 months. It focuses specifically on preparing you for roles in IT project management, where Scrum Masters play a pivotal role in helping Agile teams succeed. The course structure combines theoretical foundations with hands-on experience, so you'll not only understand what a Scrum Master does, you'll actually practice doing it. You'll explore the core principles of Agile, including adaptive planning, iterative development, and continuous improvement, all with a focus on delivering real customer value. The program goes beyond general Agile theory and dives deep into how these practices are implemented in real-world IT environments. What you'll learn: this certificate doesn't just cover Agile and Scrum. It gives you a solid foundation in IT fundamentals, the software development lifecycle, SDLC, DevOps, and modern software engineering tools. You'll learn to manage sprint planning, retrospectives, daily stand-ups, and navigate team dynamics. On top of that, the curriculum includes hands-on practice with tools like ZenHub, which is used to build Agile project plans, and introduces you to key areas like cloud computing, cybersecurity, programming, and networking, making it a truly holistic program for aspiring Scrum Masters working in IT. One of the strongest aspects of this program is its applied learning approach. Throughout the course, you'll engage in real-world exercises like conducting a SWOT analysis, analyzing DevOps scenarios, and creating an Agile roadmap. By the end, you'll have a full portfolio of projects to showcase to future employers. The capstone course really brings everything together. You'll step into the role of an IT Scrum Master and manage a simulated project, applying everything you've learned in a realistic setting. It's a great way to cement your knowledge and prove that you can handle the job before even stepping into a real team environment. Remember that the link to this course with the best price is in the description. Completing this program earns you a professional certificate from IBM, which adds major credibility to your resume. Plus, the course content aligns with key industry certifications like the Certified Scrum Master, CSM, from Scrum Alliance, PMIACP, and PMIDSM, so it doubles as excellent prep for those official exams. As Agile adoption grows across the tech world, the demand for qualified Scrum Masters continues to rise. This course is ideal for IT professionals, developers, or project coordinators looking to transition into Scrum roles, or anyone wanting to gain an edge in the modern software development landscape. Now I will give my honest opinion. So what's the verdict? Honestly, the IBM IT Scrum Master Professional Certificate stands out for a few key reasons. It's extremely practical, with real-world tools and scenarios. It's backed by IBM, a globally recognized name in tech. It's built to prepare you for in-demand certifications and real jobs. Is it for everyone? If you're brand new to IT or Agile, the pace might feel intense at first, but the platform is supportive and the content is broken down clearly. And if you already have a technical background, it's a fantastic way to add leadership and project management to your toolkit. And here's a tip: simply subscribe to Coursera Plus, which gives you unlimited access to this course and over 7,000 others, including all their certificates. If you're interested, the link to the best price is in the video description, so don't miss it. I hope this review of the IBM IT Scrum Master Professional Certificate helps you decide whether it's the right step for your career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another course review or tech career tip. Have questions about Scrum, Agile, or Coursera Plus? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to chat and help you out. Until next time, knowledge lovers.